Okay, so I already took the passenger seat out. And I'm just going to show you how to do the driver's side seat because obviously they're the same. All right, there's going to be under the seat. This seat is power and there's no power. And that's another thing. You got to take off the negative battery terminal because these seats have airbags and you don't want to disconnect airbag lines, the electrical connectors with power to the vehicle. That's a no-no. You'll blow the airbags. It's possible. All right, so there's these little clips here. And what you do is you get a little screwdriver and you just pop them up and you're going to see a bolt. One bolt here, one bolt there, and two in the front. It's going to be a 15 millimeter. All right, you get your, obviously you put the seat, you do this with the power on so you can move the seat if you have power seats, but you do not disconnect the electrical connectors until you take off the battery negative terminal. All right, you take these out. This one was a little tough, I mean, because they're inside and this sticks out underneath the truck. It gets rusty, so it's a good idea to put a little lube on there, a little WD-40 before you try to get it out because they were really tough to get out. All right, so and then you come over here, okay, and in the front here's the other two 15 millimeter bolts. There's one over here and one on the other side. Okay, so now once you come back over here, and now this is already out. See, it's already wiggly, but there's electrical connectors. The truck is the battery is off. All right, now you have the seat belt. What you do with the seat belt is this little plastic thing. It comes off. What you do is you just lightly pop it, nice and easy. You don't want to break nothing. That's the worst thing to do, is to break something when you're trying to fix something. Okay, and then you're gonna see that there's a bolt in here. This one's a little bit. There's a I think it's a 47 Torx, a 47 Torx. That's the size is a 47 Torx. You take this bolt out, and then this one comes out. This one was a little different than the other side. The other side had an electrical connector here for the second seat belt. This one doesn't have it, so you just put it in there. You just put the socket in and you take that out. 47 Torx, you don't want to break this. There's a bolt, a nut in back of that. I mean a screw. On this side, I'll show you the screw. Okay, and then there's a screw for the plastic piece right in back of the seat right there. We're going to take that out. All right. I never want to pull and break things thinking that they're clips, because sometimes they're not like this. This is a screw. All right. Get the little screw. That was a 7 millimeter. All right, and now it can come down a little bit, come out a little bit, and we can grab. We can get that. That's the 47. You just lift it up. You don't have to take it out all the way, and you have plenty of room to take it. The Torx 47. Take the seat belt under the seat. Okay. A little bit more. Okay, see? And then you snake that around like this, and you just leave this, see? You leave that on the side. Now we come around the front, and all the 4 bolts are removed. You tilt the seat down, and now you're gonna see a connector. This is almost like a computer connector. What you do is you push down on the little tab. There's a little tab here. You push down, you see this little tab right here. You push it down with your thumb, and this is gonna swing out. Just like that, and you grab it with 2 hands. It's like a big connector that comes right out. You see? This was the connector. And then when you put it in, you just push it back in. And then you make sure there's nothing in the way. All right? Everything else is self-contained. There's nothing in the way. And now you take the seat out. Okay, and then we just take it and we take them out.